In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an HTML file. Most HTML tags come in pairs, an opening and a closing set. The text to be formatted by the tags is written between the pair. It is essential for both tags to be present for the document to work correctly. All tags are enclosed in left and right angle brackets. Closing tags are preceded by a backslash, and all of the tags are not case sensitive. So for example, we need to type Doctype Html. The Doctype Html stands for Document Type Declaration. It informs the web browser about the type and version of HTML used in building the web document. This helps the browser to handle and load it properly. All HTML documents must start with a doctype declaration. The declaration is not an HTML tag. It is an information to the browser about what document type to expect. Next is the HTML element. The HTML element is the root element of every HTML page, followed by the head element. The head element is a container for metadata, or data about data, and is placed between the HTML tag and the body tag. HTML metadata is the data about the HTML document. Metadata is not displayed, but metadata typically define the document's title, character set, styles, scripts, and other meta information. So for example, we will use the title tag. The title tag in HTML is used to define the title of the HTML document. It sets the title in the browser's toolbar. It provides the title for the web page. It displays the title for the page in search engine results. So for example, we will use the title My First HTML. Then, since it's the ending of the title tag, we will use the end title tag. Then, we will also close the head. Next is the body tag. The body tag defines the document's body. It contains all the contents of an HTML document, such as text, hyperlinks, images, tables, lists, and many more. So for example, I want my name to be the output of this HTML. So I will type my name. Then I will close the body tag and the HTML element. And saving HTML file, you need to click File, click Save, go to the directory where you want to save your activity. So for example, Desktop, Folder Activity. Then I will type the file name of the activity. So for example, index. Then I will set the extension name as .html. Then click Save. Once you save your document, all of the HTML tags and elements will automatically change its color. And then once you click an element or a tag, it will display the ending or the beginning of an element or a tag. To check your work, all you have to do is to go to the directory where you save your file, double-click your activity, and it will display your output. So as you can see, this is the title, and this is the output. That's all for today. Goodbye and thank you.